Hi, I'm Rachel, product designer at Peak Design. Some people know me by Bev. And this is the motorcycle mirror mount, available in both Qi charging and a non-charging version. The mirror mount securely installs on a wide variety of mirror stems, navigation crossbars, and accessory rails from 10mm to 16mm in diameter. It's the perfect mount for motor scooters and adventure touring motorcycles with small accessory rails in the cockpit area. If that doesn't describe your ride, one of our other mounts might be a better option for you.
Bev says figure it out.
Made from anodized aluminum with built-in vibration isolation, the mirror mount secures and protects your phone through the Slimlink mounting system. With one-handed mounting and removal, it's the quickest, most intuitive way to put your phone on your bike. Plus, the case that goes with it makes your phone compatible with our entire mobile ecosystem of mounts and accessories. But we know why you're here. Let's show you how to install the dang thing. For the install, I'll have one of my coworkers do it. Bev's got things to do. The mirror mount is a bar clamp offered with the following collar sizes, 10, 12, and 14mm. The mount also fits 16mm bars without the collars. Pro tip, if you're trying to fit the mirror mount on awkward size mirror stems or accessory bars, you can do so by mixing different collar sizes on either side of the clamp. Just make sure it's secure before taking it out and about. First, loosen the screws on the bottom of the pivoting arm and mounting head to allow the assembly to move freely. Then, select a location on your mirror stem or accessory bar. Next, identify which collar diameter you'll need. With the correct collar inserted, attach the mount without fully tightening the clamp screw just yet. With the screws still loose, adjust the arm and mount head to your preferred location. Once in the ideal position, hand tighten the clamp screw. Then, reach around and tighten mount head screw as well. With everything tightened, you can fine-tune the viewing angle with the friction ball head at any time. Pro tip, if you're looking for a more low-profile setup, you can remove the arm and attach the locking head directly to the bar clamp. To do that, you'll remove the screw from the adjustment ball. Then, remove the screw from the bar clamp, but hold on to that one. Once removed, you'll reinsert from the opposite direction and attach it to the locking head. Voila, low profile mode. Bev knows français. If you've got a non-charging version, you're done. If not, let's talk charging setup. First, you'll want to attach the snap cap that comes with the mount. To do so, peel off the adhesive backing on the snap cap. Align the snap cap with the recess in the mount's center and press until you hear that sweet, sweet click sound. Press and hold for 30 seconds. Now, let's get to plugging it in. Your charging Moto mirror mount ships with a USB-C cable. If you need a USB-A or SAE connector, we sell those separately. Just note that the SAE connector should be attached to an ignition switch SAE port. It should not be directly attached to the battery. If your bike doesn't have this already, your mechanic should be able to install one via an ignition switched relay or an aftermarket power distribution unit. If it has something else like a DIN connector or cigarette lighter, you'll need an adapter. We've linked options for those, some made by us and some not, in the description of this video. Once you've selected the correct cable, you will attach that through the inline connector. Then, use the included cable ties to route your cable for a cleaner aesthetic and to keep it from hanging awkwardly. Before fully tightening the cable ties, be sure to turn the bars each way to ensure the cable is able to flex without catching on anything. Once you've done this, slap your phone on that sucker and enjoy the bliss that is wireless Qi2 charging on the go. And that's it. As always, if you've got any questions, please contact our team at info@peakdesign.com. Bev says ride safe.